Yo mga kaibigan, good morning, good morning. It's around 11 o'clock in the morning. Mga kaibigan, we are here in Botanical Garden of Tagum City right now. No, it's very nice place here in the Tagum City, which is called the protected area of Tagum City. Mga kaibigan, there is a lot of trees to be planted here. More trees, fruit trees like what I say is here is marang, santol, and many others. And any plants and anything here is to be protected under of the LGU of Tagum City, mga kaibigan. As you can see, it is a botanical garden of Tagum City, mga kaibigan. Is a very nice place, a protected place here in Tagum City in the region of region 11 in the province of Davao region, in the province of Davao del Norte, mga kaibigan. Pardon please because I'm very talk more here, no, mga kaibigan. Here there is a lot of thank you so much for the Almighty Father who art in heaven to giving this protected area or the protected place here in Tagum City that we are placed here. There is a lot of more trees here that they are planted before first I came here. Those trees like this right now, like for example here, mahogany, it is not a native of trees here in our country. It is a foreigner. It is a foreigner, mga kaibigan. As you can see, it's a big trees here. It's very tall. It is because before it's so small, like as new plants, new growing, but still growing the trees here, mga kaibigan, no? As you can see. So thank you so much, mga kaibigan. So it is more to be protected area here in Tagum City, mga kaibigan. As you can see, no? It is more what do you call this? More steps as you can this area, no, like this. No more steps, but here our the first things to down here, no, mga kaibigan, here I think all of this, mga kaibigan, are I think it's more than 3,000 steps if I'm not mistaken, like this, no. It's a very nice place here in Tagum City, mga kaibigan. As you can see, mga kaibigan, the voice of those birds is very normal. There is no cut for this video, mga kaibigan. Yun. It is very nice place here in Tagum City, as you can see, no. Just go up, no, just go upstairs, mga kaibigan. It's more and more yun, mga kaibigan, nung alam nyo, kasi patungo tayo doon, saka tayo, no? Paunat-unat tayo ng it is more steps, mga kaibigan. At saka may landing dyan. Yun. Tingnan yung baba. As you can see, it's very nice place. No? It's very nice place, mga kaibigan.